Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this very interesting problem, minimum days. So let's move on to the problem guys. So what is this problem states? So here we are given a string of length n which contain only of lowercase alphabets, means from A to Z. We are also given a permutation p of length n. Permutation p of length n means we will array of size n which will contain number from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, this is a permutation of length n means, or basically sometime 1 to n. Okay, depending on the definition, either 0 to n minus 1, total n number here, 1 to n number here. Okay, depending on the situation, these both are permutation. This is 0 base, this is 1 base permutation. So now what we have to do on the I plus 1th day, what we will do, we will pick the pith value. Suppose just take this particular array. We are given a b b and array we are given to 2130 2130. So what we are given, this is a string s, this is a permutation p, both of length n. Now what we do on I plus 1 at day, we will pick the pith number and change s of I s of pi to question mark. Here pi is equal to 2, so s of pi means s of 2 is, this is 0, index 1 2 3. So s of 2, s of pi means when I is equal to 0 means I will replace this b with question mark. Now on I plus 1 I will pick 1, s of I means s of 1 I will change it to question mark, then s of 3 to question mark, s of 0 to question mark. So this step I will take on 0 plus 1 means first day, second day, third day, fourth day. So and now what I need to find out, what is the minimum number of days I required, so that for each index from 0 to n minus 1, from each index, basically what it means, suppose here are two numbers, a and a, b b. So what I need to find out, if there are there are two character, and this character, this ith character is not is equal to question mark, means it is a character not is equal to question mark, and this cannot be equal. Okay guys, or what I can say, two adjacent character cannot be same in my string. So I need to remove either this array to question mark, either this array to question mark. Okay guys, now how can I do it? So guys, here for not matching a to a, I know either I need to change this a, either I need to change this a. So what I need to find out, I need to find out the minimum number of days. So guys, suppose this is index 0, this is index 1, and my permutation is like 1 0, and here is 2 3 2 3 2. We does not care for these two as of now. Or suppose 3 2, suppose for a minute. Now this is 0, this is 1. So for changing this particular a, I need to wait for 2 days. This is 1 day, second day, third day, fourth day. I need to wait for 2 days. For changing this particular one, I need to wait for 1 day. So what I will do, I will wait for 1 day and convert this a to question mark. Okay, so I can say now this both will not be same, because if this is not is equal to question mark but the next is question mark, so a can never equal to question mark. After 1 day we will convert this a to question mark, so these both are different. Now I need to change this b as well. Now this be index 2, this be index 3. Now this, for changing this particular b I need to wait for 3 days. For changing this particular b at index 2, I need to wait for 4 days. So what I will do, I will again change this particular b. Okay, now here for converting this a to not equal means a question mark, I need to wait for 1 day. For changing this bb, I need to wait for 3 days. So what is my answer? I need to wait for at least 3 days to get my answer. Okay, so guys, what I need to find out here, for each string I will traverse, and if I found two character equal, then I will take the minimum of character, because I need to change at least one character among them. So I will take the minimum number of days required for a particular character. Like here for this one I require minimum number of days, because if I change this I need to wait for 4 days. But I can just make them both unequal if I take 3 days, because it will convert to question mark. Then after 3 days my string will look like question mark, question mark, question mark, and b. Why all three question mark? Because this 0 index will also change on second, and we are waiting till third day. Okay, so this, so if this b will not change, we does not need to care about it, because my this b already changed. Or sorry, this will remain b, this will change to question mark. Okay, this is a, so we does not need to care about it. So similarly, I need to find out the minimum number of days changing this, minimum number of days changing this, and the maximum number of days for I need. Okay, the maximum number of days for a pair I need, it will be my answer. This is maybe something mathematical because I am doing it in often. So you need to do some dry run on pen and paper, using pen and paper. It will be very helpful for you. So what I will do, I will take a ID, because now what I will gonna to store in my ID, like 2310 given to me, 21. Now for converting to, for I will take a vector of size n. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 0, this is my vector ID. Now here vi will store 1. What is 1 means? For changing to, I need to wait for 1 day. Its index 0, 1, 2, 3, and waiting period is 1, 2, 3, 4. At 1 I need to wait for 2 days, at 3 I need to wait for 3 days, at 0 I need to wait for 4 days. So this is what I am gonna do. At pith I will store my I plus 1. This is I plus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1. Okay, so basically for all the number, if id of pi is equal to I plus 1, then I will initialize my answer to 0. Now for n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1, if my both character are equal, I will take answer is equal to maximum of answer comma minimum of idi or idi plus 1, means minimum of changing any character I or I plus 1. So very simple approach this is, guys, not so much hard. So you can see all 265 test cases pass out. I hope you will understand the problem. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this, guys. Stay tuned.